Welcome to Kaizenify and your video tutorial on how to create your first SOP. We are now in the existing SOP link here on the left-hand side of the screen. I have created some test SOPs so that you can see what it looks like when we have multiple SOPs in here and how to search for them. If I want to search for a specific SOP, I'm going to look for a specific tag. In this case, I'm looking for 4, so you can see that 4 comes up there. Maybe I'm looking for doors. There's my SOP for doors. So when you add a tag to your SOP, it makes it super easy to search it. If you want to do it by department, you can do it that way as well. And then if you want to do it by test department, I don't have any in there for that one, so that's why that one comes up blank. So I'm going to put all departments. At this point, let's create a brand new SOP. Testing 5 SOP. I'm going to assign it to my test department. Time to complete the process. These are optional fields. This is if you want to tell the operator how long that should take for them to complete that specific process. This is for a video link. This will put a QR code in the header of your SOP, and you'll see that when we go to print it. Now we're at the stage where we upload our first picture for our first step. As soon as you upload a picture, we take you right into the image editor because we want your pictures to be very clear and precise. In this case, I might draw an arrow and say I want you to look at this. Then I click finish, and I'm going to key in the step number down here only for demonstration purposes. If you want to do something like bullet points, you can do it this way. I'm going to click on safety. That's going to flag this as a key safety step. Then I'm going to upload my next picture for my second step. You don't need to number these. You'll see why in a minute. I am just doing it myself. Just for demonstration purposes. Let's say I want to crop this picture, click apply, finish. It's that easy. Step number 2, do this. I'm going to flag this one as a key quality step. Then I'm going to create some more steps real quick here. If you don't want to edit the image, you don't have to. You can just click finish. But we do want to make sure that the images are, it's quite clear when you're looking at a picture what you want the user to look at. I'm going to throw another step in here, step number 4. And for editing purposes, we might decide we're going to do an arrow like this. And then you can control the direction of the arrow. You can control the size of the arrow. There's lots of editing options available for you down here. At this point, I'm going to say that I'm done. And I have no revisions. As you can see, there's no down arrow here. So I'm going to create a new revision because I've decided I've missed a couple of steps or they're in the wrong order. So let's take this one and drag it over here. This is why I put the numbers here, so you can see what I've dragged and moved around. So if you've forgotten a step, no problem. You're going to upload an image. You're going to edit if you want to edit it. Let's see, a shape, circle, finish. This is step number 5. I'm going to say done here. Let's view this. Okay, so here's the QR code. That was that video link you put in at the header level. Here is the safety step, the quality step. Those are the icons associated with those steps. They stay with the steps even if you drag them around. You can see that I've changed the orders of the steps. We number them for you, but down here, I had this one as step 4 originally, step 3, step 2. So I moved them around. Again, don't worry about having your SOP perfect the first time. When it comes to printing, we have lots of printing options. There's your icons again and your QR code. We have portrait, we have landscape or portrait. We have the number of pictures per page. So images per page. So in this case, 2 images per page. Maybe I want landscape, 2 images per page. Maybe I want 6 images per page. In this case, I only have 5, so it fits all on one page, which is perfect. If I want to fit them all on the page in portrait, if I want to fit them all on the page in landscape, and then we have the options for colors here. So lots of options. We're going to go back here and I am going to show you how to create a QR code. If you want to launch this without printing it, you can use this QR code. You can also edit this, and then let's say we want to move this up here. Now we can go back. So now we have multiple revisions of this SOP. You can view previous revisions, but your latest one is always the one on top. We did not put a tag on this yet, so I'm going to put the number 5. So if I just want to look for 5, there we go. So that's my search capability. Everything's there. I'm going to do one more revision here and show you how to do a QR code add a step. So right here, I want to do a new step. Let's say I want you to watch a video at this point. If you click on QR code here, we're just prompting you for a URL. This is step number 456. I'm going to say done. Now we're going to view that one, and you can see that we've created a QR code here for you in step number 6. Super easy to use. No excuses not to do an SOP now. You can do this from your phone. You can do it from your computer. You can edit your pictures in line. You can print QR codes to launch them, so you don't have to put the whole SOP out there. Use search tags. Lots of cool features. So go out there and create standards.